Our place is a very fantastic place. This place name is 12 number. Wow.
Itu rasta itu
Baron number is very beautiful place. Rasta ik bole kukuru kakara. She is my beautiful sister from Munigram. Wow, after a long time I'm meeting with my sister. Just you see. As we are going to Matiranga, so my sister is also going with us. Let's see my background. My beautiful sister, Babli. She is also going with us to Matiranga. No? There is more 3 beautiful girls. She is my wife, and that one is my sister, and she is my younger brother wife. No. Okay. Middle one, not short one, middle one. I am the first one. This is first one. My wife and our son. No. His name is Kritito. Just see. He is playing. No. Kritito is feeling uneasy. The boy is not agree to take keys. No. Kritito is at Munigram now. It's called 17 number. They are taking boot together. No. Wow, what a feelings. What a moment. What a moment, boy. What a moment. You are just like adorable baby, no? Wow. What a loving moment. What a loving moment. What a loving moment after a long time. I am very impressed for them, no? Guys, just you see how many beautiful lady beside me. Wow. Our place is a very fantastic place. This place name is 12 number. Wow.
Itu rasta itu
12 number is very beautiful place. Rasta ik bole kukuru kakara. Okay guys, every girls are very funny girls, you know. And I'm also very funny boy, man. Okay, that's it. This morning is very beautiful morning. Just we can't forget, never ever, you know. This is done and fogging now. Fog. You know what is the meaning of fog? Fog, that means kuasha, no? Kuasha. Do you know what is the meaning of fogging? It's fogging. It is winter season. That's why we are getting much cold. So we are getting much trouble. So just you stay with us and connected with us. What we are enjoying. Okay, bye bye. Everyone, please bye bye. Okay, bye bye.